Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we have my S23 Ultra back in the house with the One UI 6 Beta 1, and I'm very excited to announce that we should be getting One UI 6 Beta 2 here in the next day or so, hopefully actually later tonight at the time I'm recording and uploading this. But I just wanted to do a little follow-up on One UI 6 Beta 1 because it's kind of been a roller coaster. People are having mixed opinions about this. I have not had too bad of an experience. Random glitches here and there. Animations are kind of meh, but other than that, not too many issues. There are definitely some things they need to fix. As you can see down here, I'm using the home button instead of the gestures, which I don't normally do. I prefer the gestures. But the reason I'm doing that is because when using the gestures, when you go to swipe up to go home, for whatever reason, it kind of catches the app, and the app will scroll like a bunch down, and then it'll go home. And that happens in every app. It's not like an app-related thing. It's a system-related issue. But like in my email, I'll like go home and then I'll open my email app again, and I'll be at the very bottom of my email feed. So it's really annoying having to deal with stuff like that. Obviously, I know it's a beta and that stuff's going to happen. That's why you shouldn't use this on a daily driver. But the phone hasn't really had any like crashes or anything like that. Battery life's been okay. I think it'll be improved a little bit in the next couple betas, but it's been alright. And stuff like that. I do keep getting this random pop-up saying that it can't install apps from unknown sources, and that's when I'm not trying to install any apps. I'm not doing anything. I can be on the home screen, I can be scrolling through X, I can be watching a YouTube video, and all of a sudden this pop-up will pop up like 3 or 4 times, and I'll have to just, dismiss, and then it'll go away. And that happens, I don't know, maybe like once or twice a day, just kind of out of nowhere. So, kind of weird. But other than that, it's been running pretty good. I just restarted the phone. Actually, it was dead because I was using my Z Fold 5 for the past couple days since I got it. But S23 Ultra's still been solid. I'm looking forward to them kind of tweaking and fixing some of the stuff in One UI 6. Of course, we've got our new pull down here and our new not control center, but our new quick toggles. So hopefully they kind of tune that stuff up, fix that up a little bit. There are some requests that people have had in the developer and Samsung members, and that has to do with like the notifications, being able to customize this more, and just a few things like that. So hopefully Samsung listens to the users and they do some stuff like that. But for right now, Beta 1's been okay. I'm kind of excited to see what Beta 2 brings, and when that comes out, I will be streaming the installation and we'll be checking it out together on the channel. So if you want to watch that, make sure you're subscribed so you get notified when I go live. I do have a stream scheduled already on the channel if you're watching this before it happens, so you can go ahead and add that to your calendar, bookmark that, whatever you want to do, so you know about it. As long as the beta comes out, then I will be streaming. Like I said, it's whenever it comes out, and I will set the stream for that time. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.